Good morning, YouTube. All right, we are at, I don't even know what day is this. This is like the 8th or 9th day.
12th.
Well, July 12th is the actual date. Gonna hopefully get some cams in there today. Maybe start doing some timing tomorrow. The water pump on there. We're continuing on with the 348 major, so it's gonna be awesome.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Do tap 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 on the gasket, get it all nice.
Yeah, I
and
got amoxicillin.
done up.
And apparently I'm allergic to amoxicillin.
How could you have gotten that far in life and not had amoxicillin yet?
I probably did years ago when I was a kid, but as soon as I became old enough to make my own choices, I avoid quacks. I'd rather just die in a field alone.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
It's just the pin, the dowels, a little tight in the
Does it
housing.
still spin? Ooh, it looks so nice and shiny. Alright, add a little O-ring. Do you know if we goober or is it just the O-ring?
I wouldn't think we do.
I think it's just the O-ring. Yeah, that makes sense. Make sure we don't pinch the O-ring. Yeah. We already learned that lesson. Oops, forgot the hose.
Where my hose at?
I haven't seen them.
That's not going to be possible to put on later, so you have to take it off and put it back on. Alright, much better with hose. Where my hose at? It's right there. Where your hose at? Oh yeah, a lot of
I got them all rolled up over there.
Did you hear back on the ECUs yet?
Yes. They are on their way.
Yes.
Don't worry, you only owe me a small fortune for them.
Oh,
It's all right.
jeez. Oh, there it goes.
I was like, I know.
I know.
The others were...
You always get a little nervous when it keeps going and going. You're like,
You don't want to go too slow.
Yeah. All right, we got new hose. Part numbers. Oh, there's two part numbers. 140625 and 140624. These two hoses, right?
Yeah, the water
Nice.
pump return hoses.
By the way, this video is sponsored by RecambiAmerica.com. Go to their website. Go to www.recambiamerica.com. Use the code NGS10. You're gonna get 10% off your entire order because they're awesome. They're hooking you guys up. All the parts here, yeah, got them from Recambia America. Woo!
Beer me!
Getting started, yeah. The party just arrived.
Hey, you want to do me a favor, Jeremy? Go buy me a couple of hose clamps for that fucking lawn.
You're like, son of a bitch. Well, at least he's catching you before you drank a bunch.
Oh, that's delicious.
It's really good.
This tastes like cam time is gonna go really good.
5 degrees, 5 degrees.
Yeah!
I do actually need you to do
Air cone in there. Which wasn't working really probably before, as far as we know.
It blew cool air, but not cold air.
Yeah, we'll get cold now. That thing's been rebuilt.
Yeah.
So both the alternator and the AC got sent out and got rebuilt, so they should be good to go. I
So
should
they
be,
come up here?
yep.
Okay.
I should be filming you suffer while you hold the very heavy thing.
It weighs a ton.
There we go.
That was easy.
Once we put it in the right spot.
I know. Good thing we got America's best and brightest on the job here.
We even have a damn example right there.
It's almost like it was meant to go there.
Oh man. What was that, Tim? What was that?
You guys suck.
We just kind of record stuff and then occasionally some stupidity comes out. That usually makes the cut.
What's that? That guy right there. You see that? That's a camera, and he's recording.
Say
Say
hi.
hi, monkey.
Hi, monkey! Hello! Teamwork makes the dream work.
I remember the first time I did an AC compressor.
It's nice to see you too, Jake.
Hey, Tim.
Hey,
How long have you been working on this thing?
7 hours.
Way too long.
That's some crap luck. That's leading to a lot of puns, but we dropped a bolt down the hole.
God damn it.
Ball go down the hole.
Bolt go down the hole.
Elevator go down the hole.
No. I'm not sucking on it.
that's what she said.
Josh is like,
It is actually.
dude, I will mentor you just for the laughs.
Yeah,
I'm not
no.
gonna pay you shit because you're gonna be f***ing everything up.
Dude, this is pure. I've said it before. We're here just to entertain him.
It's gotta be. I don't see it anyplace else.
No, it's operation.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Station. Remove the pieces and collect your fee, but don't touch the sides.
Dude, the comedy content of this is never ending.
Dude, we're gonna have to play the damn, what is it? The March of the Gladiators again.
Josh is gonna make me start wearing a clown suit every time I show up.
Do we finally get it? I should have been timing this. We're adding the plastic guard things, of which this one is kind of broken, so we're just gonna super glue it together because normal guy. It's been glued before?
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah, definitely. So this is not the first time it's broken.
Minor adjustments.
Take out your aggressions, Tim.
All right, how do you know when it's bottomed out?
When it stops
Where it
moving.
stops moving. Everyone cover their eyes so if it goes flying, that's a lot of pressure. No way. Damn, dude.
Told you, don't be a little bitch. Where's my f***ing Sawzall?
That's reserved for Lambos.
I am kind of disappointed we haven't used on this car yet. Good old pry bar.
Yeah, I don't want to cross-thread the...
Yeah, that's a lot of pressure to damage a bolt.
It's only a multi-$1,000 front cover that's probably not available.
Badass, man. Badass.
Ain't got no time for f***ing ratchet straps. F***ing flat rate, man. Come on.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
You're getting paid 40 hours. Get it done now!
The new O-rings
New O-rings for what?
for the cam bolts that bolt the pulleys onto the cam.
Ah, okay. So 114808. Nice.
One for each pulley.
There is the new O-rings, and they go in on those, on the cams. Ooh. We're gonna tighten the tensioner. We're gonna put some pressure on it and then tighten it so it's actually able to get the cam timing belt on.
Correct. We want it in the fully collapsed or loose
and then
position.
once it's all in place, then you loosen it, it shoots up and tightens it.
You see how that's offset? You can see,
Mhm.
you know, there's a, the hole is slotted, so you got room for that to move. So we're gonna take a little load off it. See that?
Yep.
So now,
Tighten it.
yep, we'll just snug it down, and then boom.
Nice.
Sweet.
There you go.
Ooh. Ah.
No, that doesn't feel good.
No? God damn it. Josh gets to call us bitches again.
God damn it.
What was so difficult about that?
It was
Dan?
just stopping
Bitches.
like it was cross-threaded. Dan and I are both like, nope.
Give her hell.
What would I do without you?
All right.
Good process.
This is the stopping point for tonight.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Dude.
We gotta put the
Yeah.
seals in the. We gotta put your seals in first, and put your valve shims in, and then yeah, we'll time it tomorrow.
What time are you gonna start work tomorrow?
10.
10 a.m. All right, we're wrapping it up. We're gonna continue tomorrow. We'll get the cams in. We'll do the timing. It's gonna be a sweet video, so you guys are gonna want to stay tuned for that. All right. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Go visit ricambiamerica.com. Go buy their stuff. Come on, do that. All right, guys. Let's get going. Gonna do some car stuff tomorrow. It's gonna be sweet.